Welcome back, folks. Today we're covering DDC code P068A. This code means the Engine Control Module, ECM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM, shut down too early after turning off the engine. Normally, when you shut your car off, the control module stays powered for a short period to complete things like data logging and emissions checks. If it loses power too soon, this code gets triggered. So what causes this early shutdown? A faulty ECM power relay is one of the most common issues. Bad wiring, especially poor ground connections, or a weak battery could also disrupt the proper shutdown sequence. In rare cases, it could even be a software glitch or a failing ECM. You'll probably see a check engine light with this one. Other signs may include the engine cranking longer, random stalling, or strange electrical behavior right after shutdown. Sometimes the ECM may not save trouble codes correctly, which can confuse future diagnostics. To fix it, start by testing your battery and alternator. Then inspect and possibly replace the ECM power relay. Check all grounds and wiring to the relay and module, especially for corrosion or looseness. If the relay and wiring check out, a software update or even a replacement ECM may be required. That wraps up our breakdown of code P068A. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tech insights. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.